everyone, it's Dominique and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something a little new and I'm going to take you to my hair appointment. Angelica is going to be doing my hair and we are doing something really fun. We're adding some tape-in highlights into my hair. My hair is my natural color. I haven't colored it in 3 years or bleached it. I just have been keeping it really natural. If anything, I've been doing like a little bit of low lighting here and there just to keep it from getting brassy. I wanted to try something new and non-damaging. So I bought the Babe tape-in hair extensions. These are in the color ginger. They're 18-inch and they're literally the perfect size for my hair. We're gonna do a couple around just my hairline, I believe, just to add a little dimension and do something fun. I'm super excited to take you with me, so let's go.
Put that shit behind me, keep my diamonds blinding. Gotta keep it suave like I'm Sade in the 90s. Do it like it's roulette, roll it, burn it, lose it. Hit that black and red, keep spending decks, I keep it moving. Put that shit behind me.
I'm walking into the salon right now. I just grabbed us some goodies. I bought a new cute little face mask and I'm ready to go.
But you won't see through the tints in my Tesla. I be blocking out the world, it's a mess, yeah. I'm allergic to the bullshit.
Okay, we are at the salon. I'm super pumped to get my hair done. Angelica is getting things ready. This is backwards. This is totally backwards. We're finally here. Let's see if I can get it like that. This is Angelica Ritter, hair by Angelica Ritter, and she is going to spruce up this hair today.
Yes, we
So,
are.
Angelica, tell them what we're doing today.
So today we are going to be going in and we're going to give her a nice trim on her layers. We won't really need to cut. What do you mean? You can't see me?
I can't see you.
It's not like you can see everything around me.
Okay, well, I pressed record and it went, okay. So, back
to hair. So I'm going to give her a nice trim on her layers, maybe a nice little face frame. We're not going to touch the lengths. Everybody knows Mary loves her long, long hair.
Yes.
So then what we're going to do is we have a couple tape-in extensions. And so we're going to just put a couple in here for her. We're going to probably put a couple right up here. We're just gonna try and give her a little pop of color without having to actually color her hair.
Yeah, literally exactly.
Just to give her some pop. And then eventually, maybe if she really likes it, then maybe she will go full force and we'll have to, wait and see. But yeah, we're really looking forward to it, or I'm looking forward to vlogging with my bestie, Mary. And we are going to have a full day.
We're gonna have a full day, so we will keep you updated.
Room 2110, I knocked on the door at the penthouse suite, 'cause I needed more from you. Oh, I wanted an explanation. Red Solo cups all over the floor, and your friends passed out, sleeping in that bed you wanted us to hang out in. I guess you threw yourself a party, and you chose not to invite me. Yeah, you threw yourself a party, but you wanted me for a good time. You said, text me when you get here. You made it so clear it'd be nothing more than our clothes on the floor. Only wanted me naked, but you can't have your cake and eat it all the time.
Hey!
So we finished the cut.
So the cut is all done, and now we are going to be going in and doing some of the tape-in extensions. So we had sectioned off already where she's going to be wanting them. She just wants some nice blonde chunky pieces in the front. So that's what we're going to be doing.
I know you threw yourself a party, and you chose not to invite me. Yeah, you threw yourself
Making money like a mint. Laying in my ice like shrimp. Mint condition that I'm in. Coming with the freshness. Yeah, I got that brand new shit. I bought it so I don't pay rent. All my boys are pussy whip. Coming with the freshness. Yeah. Light green, squeaky clean. So he buy me nice things. I fiend, bigger bling. Only register ka-ching. Too high, too fly. When they look up at the sky, it's a bird, it's a plane. Superwoman, say my name. He said beggars can't be choosy. I said it's Gucci, I'm couture like the movies.
Okay, so my camera died right as she was finishing up, so I wasn't able to show you the final result, so I'll just show you now. This is the final result. You guys, I am obsessed. I am so happy I made the choice to try this before I went full-blown into bleaching my hair. I have to say that I absolutely love the color. The color was ginger. I just feel like it looks so natural. We also did end up like rooting a little bit right here so that it would just blend really well. They're very comfortable so far. I haven't had any issues with them. These will last about 5 or 6 weeks before we take them out. The hair lasts about 2 uses, sometimes 3 if you're really careful with them. We did cut them in half, so there's not that many, so I believe the maintenance will be fairly easy for me and I could get 3 uses out of them until I have to buy a new package. From start to finish, the appointment did take about 2.5 hours to cut and install these extensions, and then we did end up coloring the root as well. As I mentioned before, the reason I chose tape-ins is because it's non-damaging to the hair. I don't think the tape-ins are bad for your hair, so that is why I chose them. You could do so much with these. You could change the color as often as you want, and again, no damage. Now, I would definitely recommend consulting with your hairdresser. You could do highlights through your whole head. You could do just like I did. I mean, I just did a few in the front, kind of up to you and what you're looking to get done. The range of price is going to be, again, up to your hairdresser. Probably anywhere from, first you have to pay for the extensions, and then the installation is a separate charge. And then also like coloring or blow drying is going to add on a little bit more. So, but they're definitely worth it if you ask me. That wraps up my vlog to my hairdressers. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any other questions about extensions or hair, I am a hairdresser. Leave them in the description box so that I can answer you. And if you don't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell icon if you want to see more videos. Until next time.